Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a futuristic EV racer from Hot Wheels, the Supercharged White, code HYX64, from the HW series. It's number 168 out of 250 for 2025 Case P and comes in 1/64 scale. Let's take a closer look at this bold casting with its wide stance, aggressive aero, and striking Hot Wheels racing livery. The Supercharged casting is one of Hot Wheels' pure fantasy race cars, designed to showcase speed, aerodynamics, and electric performance. With a long front canopy, exaggerated fenders, and racing decals, it really stands out on any track or display. The white and neon green graphics give it a retro modern race vibe, perfectly matching the futuristic EV theme. Now let's talk about the real-world inspiration, the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. This is a track-only electric racer powered by a dual electric motor producing 322 horsepower or 240 kilowatts. With instant torque delivery, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds, reaching a top speed of 220 km/h. It's a reminder of how exciting electric racing has become. The Leaf Nismo RC02 is based on the Nissan Leaf platform but rebuilt with lightweight materials and race-spec aerodynamics. It's longer, wider, and much lower than the road car, designed for maximum performance on the track. This makes the Hot Wheels Supercharged a perfect tribute to futuristic EV racing. Whether you're a fan of electric cars, racing prototypes, or just cool fantasy castings, the Hot Wheels Supercharged is a must-have for collectors. That completes today's unboxing. Thanks for joining us. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily Diecast content, unboxings, 360-degree views, and dioramas every week.